Weather information. Weather bulletin.
What is it now?
For the following counties in Pennsylvania, Fayette, Greene, and Washington.
What is it?
And the following counties in West
That's
Virginia,
VR.
Marshall, and Ohio. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Monroe County in east central Ohio, eastern Belmont County in east central Ohio, southwestern Washington County in southwestern Pennsylvania, Greene County in southwestern Pennsylvania, western Fayette County in southwestern Pennsylvania, northwestern Monongalia County in northern West Virginia, southern Ohio County in northern West Virginia, Wetzel County in northern West Virginia, Marshall County in northern West Virginia, northwestern Marion County in northern West Virginia, until 4:30 p.m. At 3:38 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Powhatan Point, or near Moundsville, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, wind gusts to 60 miles per hour and quarter-size hail. Source, radar. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Wheeling, Moundsville, Martins Ferry, New Martinsville, St. Clairsville, Bel Air, Waynesburg, Bethlehem, Woodsfield, Bennington, Philadelphia, Shadyside. This includes the following highways: Interstate 70 in Ohio between mile markers 217 and 225. Interstate 70 in West Virginia between mile markers 0 and 10. Interstate 79 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 3 and 18. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh.